Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know that I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility you get confused friends, okay? And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So we'll spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYUBHACHARJEE1906. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you will get the notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called serve yourself with scientific truth. This topic I've covered, friends. Okay, and friends, in our today's video, I'm covering the topic called the tendency of the subconscious is life word. This topic, friends. Okay, the tendency of the subconscious is life word. Friend, this is 72 number video and the name of the topic is the tendency of the subconscious is life word. So let us see what the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, over 90% of your mental life is subconscious. So men and women who fail to make use of this marvelous power live within a very narrow limit. So here, friends, author Joseph Murphy is telling our over 90% of our mental life is completely subconscious of men and women, and who fail to use this marvelous subconscious, they live in the narrow limits, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us on this topic. Your subconscious processes are always life word and constructive. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling our subconscious processes are always life word and also constructive. Your subconscious is the builder of your body and maintains all its vital functions. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling our subconscious mind is a complete builder of our body and it maintains all the vital function in our body. That means it is responsible for the all the vital functions in our body, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. It is on the job 24 hours a day and never sleeps. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that it is on a job 24 hours on a day and it never sleeps, friends. Okay, this is a very big statement, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. It is always trying to help and preserve you from harm. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling our subconscious mind is always trying to help us and preserve us from the harm, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Your subconscious mind is in touch with infinite life and boundless wisdom. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling our subconscious mind is in complete touch with the infinite life and also the boundless wisdom, friends. Okay, and its impulses and ideas are always life word. So our subconscious mind's impulses and ideas are always life word, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us on this topic. The great aspiration, inspiration and the vision for a grander and a noble life spring from the subconscious. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that the great aspiration, inspiration and the vision for the grander noble life is always the spring from the subconscious mind, friends. Okay, your profoundest conviction are those you cannot argue about rationally. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling our profound rationalism is that we cannot argue at any point of time in our life, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic because they do not come from your conscious mind, because we cannot argue with them because this doesn't come from our conscious mind, it always comes from the subconscious mind, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. They come from your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind speak to you in intuitions and impulse. So yeah, the friends, author Asimov is telling this all ideas come from our subconscious mind, and our subconscious mind always speak in intuitions and also the impulse, friends. Okay, so this author Asimov is telling to us in this topic. Hunches, limitation, urges, and the ideas, and it is always telling you to rise. So our subconscious mind always speaks us in hunches, uh, inti intimations, urges, and also the idea, and it always motivates us to rise us in and grow us in our life, friends. Okay, transit, grow, advance, adventure. So it always motivates us to transit, grow, and also adventure and advancement in our life, friends. Okay, and move forward to greater heights. So our subconscious mind always motivates us to move forward to the greater life, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. The urge to love, to save the life of other comes from the depth of your subconscious. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling the urge to love and to save the life of the others, which comes from the depth of our subconscious mind, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. For example, during the great San Francisco earthquake and fire of 18 April 1906. So, author Joseph Murphy is telling that in great San Francisco there was a earthquake and also a fire on April 18, 1906. Invalid and cripple who have been confined to bed for long period of time. So, there were cripples and infined who were on the bed for the long period of time, rose up and performed some of the most amazing feat of bravery and endurance. So, they woke up and performed some of the most amazing feat of bravery and also endurance, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Means here he is telling that there were some people who were bedridden from a long period of time, but when earthquake came, they woke up and they performed all the miracle things. It was because of the power of the subconscious mind, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. The intense desire welled up within them to save others at all costs. So the intense desire which was inside them, they welled them up to save other people under any circumstances, friends. Okay, at any cost. This author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, and their subconscious responded accordingly. So in this way their subconscious mind also responded, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us on this topic. Great artists, musicians, poets, speakers and writer tune in with their subconscious power and become animated and inspired. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling those who are great artists, musician, poet and also the speaker, they tuned and writers, they tune with their subconscious mind and they help their subconscious power to get inspired, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us on this topic. For example, Robert Louis Stevenson, before he went to sleep, here author Joseph Murphy is giving an example of Stevenson, Robert Louis Stevenson. Before he went to sleep, he used to charge his subconscious with the task of evolving stories for him while he slept. So he used to charge his subconscious mind by the evolving stories by telling when he slept, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. He was acclimatized to ask his subconscious to give him a good marketable thriller when his bank account was low. So at that time he asked his subconscious mind to give a good marketable thriller when his bank account was low, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Stevenson said the intelligence of his deeper mind gave him the story piece by piece like a serial. So in the Stevenson mind, the story came from the deeper mind by piece like a serial, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. This shows your how your subconscious will speak lofty and wise saying through you. So this shows that how our subconscious mind will going to speak lofty through us, friends. Okay, which your conscious mind know nothing about. So in this way, which our conscious mind doesn't know about us, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Mark Twain confined to the world on many occasions that he never worked in his life. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling Mark Twain he confined to the world about many occasions which we never worked in his life, friends. Okay, all his humor and all his great writing were due to the fact that he trapped the inexhaustible reservoir of his subconscious mind. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling all the humor and all his great writing were from the subconscious mind, which was inexhaustible reservoir, friends. Okay, so friends, this topic came to an end, and in our today's topic I have covered the concept called, I've started the new chapter, that was the tendency of the subconscious is life word. This I have started, friends. Okay, and friends, in our next topic I am going to cover the concept called how the body portrays the working of the mind. This I'm going to cover, friends. Okay, so friends, this topic came to an end and I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I will be meeting you in the next video, friends. Okay, till then, goodbye, take care.